So I've made a few more cam clamps out of this exterior MDF. It's a bit rough and ready, but I'm going to assemble them now. Just going to mark where I need to drill using this transfer punch, and I'm making sure that I'm tilting the top part of the cam clamp a little bit forward, just so it allows for the most amount of pressure when the two pieces actually meet. I noticed with my previous attempts that it kind of tilted back a little bit. I left a bit of room between the bar, and by doing that, the surface which I was clamping against had moved back. With this design, I've actually extended the bottom plate here as well. See that there? I'm just going to countersink the holes a little bit just to help the pins go in. I'm just going to finish it on the vise. So at this stage I'm going to make sure that the solid part of the pin is going to face towards the bar. Since the last model I've actually adjusted the cam as well, you can kind of see it seems a bit flatter at the top, and then from the opening I made sure I followed around a circle exactly the same distance until the cam ends in its position like this. So you can kind of twist it around, slide it because of how smooth the surface is, but that's I think that's a lot of pressure. So a particular problem I've noted with cam clamps is that they do get jammed. Mine are not particularly brilliant. I somehow managed to avoid that problem, but by increasing the height of the clamping parts of the cam clamp, I've left a gap for myself here, so if it were to ever get jammed, I should be able to get a screwdriver in there and just knock it apart. And essentially the movement is made easier by tilting the bottom clam. The movement along the bar is made easier by tilting the cam, or the bottom cam, at an angle sort of like this. If I push it back the other way, the metal on metal contact is preventing it from moving. Okay, you probably think I'm pretending, so what I'll do Okay, I've just assembled all three of this particular design. I wanted to have a few to play around with. Just going to clamp them just so you get an idea. So it's still not perfect, mainly because the gap varies on all three. I did sand these, so I may have sanded something incorrectly. I really should make a jig to hold the bars when I'm marking them and drilling them, so they're exactly in the right position. I'm going to put a bit of cork in them now as well. Always cut towards your audience.